It's 7:30 a.m. in the morning. I haven't finished my coffee yet, and my campaigns, they have already spent $400 till now. Welcome to a day in the life of Google Ads Strategist, managing $2,000 per day Google Ads campaign. Most people think running ads is just about clicks. It's not. It's about results and relentless decisions. My name is Ankit Shrivastava, and I'm the founder of AdShot Media. We run campaigns for travel, solar, health insurance, and home services. And the daily budget? Well, it ranges between $500 to $2,000. And that's why every dollar needs a reason. Well, first thing I do when I wake up, I check Google Ads app on my iPhone and go through every campaigns. Because Google Ads is the part of my life. It's not after having a coffee. I go to my laptop and check all the campaigns performance, whether it's leads, sales, or conversions. I check everything because if something didn't work last night, Google Ads won't notify you. And that's why I scan all the campaigns on my laptop and see if everything is at its place. One of our travel campaigns has cost $70 per call. So I paused one of the ad group, improved some headlines, and reduced bids for some time. Well, on the other hand, one of our new travel campaigns still needs some warming. So I decided not to scale yet, but let Google learn. Similarly, in one of our solar campaigns, what I found was that number of leads just dropped. Now it's time to find the reason. Now it's time to check Teams and emails. We believe in structured communication. So we create team community or email threads to communicate with our clients. On every Monday, we share our AI-based analyzed Google Ads reports with our client so that they don't have to work hard on understand what's working in their campaign and what's not. They get clear picture on how many calls they received, how many missed calls they had, how many sales they made, how many conversions they got, what dropped, and what increased. And as we use these approaches, I plan on scaling the campaigns that truly deserves. For example, I always check if a campaign has received at least 30 conversions in the last 30 days, then I will try to scale it. Or if I feel that some campaign is not performing well in spite of good Google Ads setting, then I check on the landing page, because the landing page plays a crucial role in making or breaking a campaign. For example, this travel campaign was not receiving as much as leads as I expected. So what I found was that there was a need of adding a pop-up here. It's time to edit the landing page. And once it is done, it's time for the evening coffee. So there's this health insurance campaign. The lead cost crossed $70 yesterday. Not a disaster, but not idle either. So I checked the search terms, paused a few .match keywords, rewrote some ads, and decreased the bids. Well, small tweaks, but big impact. And every day is a mini fire. Like we did call stop yesterday, where the CPC is so high. We need to scale it faster. Well, these are not distractions, they are the signals. Because it is very crucial to understand and listen to what your clients want from you. Sometimes they give very valid reason for you to follow, and sometimes you have to educate them that what is better for them in order to bring out more from this campaign. Well, most people think Google Ads is just about clicks, but when you're managing so big campaigns, it's not clicks, it's clarity, strategy, and system. And if you want that for your business, book a strategy. We at AdShot Media have 9 years of experience in Google Ads. We are Google partners, and we have the ability to scale your business. And if you think that Google Ads doesn't work for you, let us change that for you. Well, thanks for watching this video. This is Ankit Shrivastava signing off. Bye-bye.